Salam, welcome to 5th lesson. I am Nura Ghanri, E-Education Afghanistan English teacher. Today I will teach you 10 simple and useful English sentences. Please be with me and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, like and share our Facebook page. Let's start the lesson. Do not say this again. بیا داسې ونه وایه. We have to guard against bad habits. موږ باید د بدو عادتونو ځان وساتو. He has got one foot in the grave. هغه د مرګ په حال کې دی. There is no trustful atmosphere. دلته هیڅ د باور فضا نسته. Do not clash with each other. یو د بل سره شخړه مه کوئ. Do not charge the responsibility to him. هغه ته مسؤلیت مه ور د غاړې کوه. Life is entrusted to the dead. ژوند د مرګ امانت دی. I just know him by name. زه یوازې هغه په نامه پیژنم. He came in the nick of time. هغه پر ښه موقع باندې راغی. What brings you here? څنګه دلته راغلې؟ Thanks for watching the video. ډېره مننه.